Hello guys, my name is Kid. So in this video I'm going to share with you how to make money by blogging, and of course how I make money by blogging because I'm a blogger too. Okay, so if you didn't know what blogging is actually writing posts or articles on your blog. Your blog is can be a website or a Facebook page, but it's better having a website. So in case of planning of becoming a blogger and you need a website, you can contact me. I can create for you a website, a good one at a very affordable fee, or for free, of course, depends. Okay, so in this video you learn how I make money blogging in Zambia. So for this course, of course, you need to have a blog. Okay, so you also learn how to monetize your content and convert your traffic into money, like convert people visiting your website into money. So learn how to make money blogging might be the first step I've taken I myself. So financial independence, working from home. You can also quit your 9 to 5 job if you do it right. There are people who make millions per month from blogging alone, of which it's not instant, like it takes time, of which I will meet soon, like I'll reach that stage later on here. But right now, I'm focusing on helping other people that much than I myself. Okay, so there are a lot of systems available to allow you to monetize your blog. So how to make money by blogging in Zambia? So first of all, what you have to know is that none of these things are simple. Okay, so each choice needs its own research. So as much as you learn from me, also do your own research. However, you can find the right structures and make money from work from home if you're able to invest in the effort and time on your blog. So the first thing you can make money on your website or blog is by placing adverts. I'm sure you've seen adverts on my one of my posts, like when you visit to see adverts of Surprise, other things of which maybe you won't even understand. There are a lot of adverts you will see on my website. Yeah. So how do I make money by displaying adverts? So for example, you see some nice adverts about something, then you click on it. When you click on that advert, I'll earn money. So it depends on how much I make per click. Yeah, it depends on the type of adverts. For some clicks, I can earn like $0.5 per click. There are some adverts whereby I can earn even like $1 per click. So for example, if I'm earning $1 per click, so 10 clicks per day, I can make $10. And $10 into quart is somewhere like 200 kwacha. So it's possible, like if you're having 10 clicks per day, you can be making like 200 per day, 200 kwacha per day. Yeah. So the other thing you can do to make money on a website or blog, and by the way, I hope I'm not that fast. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do some. Okay, the second thing you can do is by displaying sponsorships. For example, if your website gets famous, there'll be people or companies coming to you like, press for us this advert on your website and we'll pay you this. Yeah. So when your website, for example, is famous and you're actually receiving a lot of people, companies can come to you directly instead of going to them. They can start following you, saying, press for us this advert in that post about this topic, and they can pay you. Yeah, so that's sponsorship ads. And if an influencer, like this actually happens to influencers. For example, those people are very much on Instagram. Yeah, they can come to you if you're famous on Instagram. They ask you to share your ads on your Instagram thingy. People view them, they pay you. Yeah, that's how people make money on Instagram. Or share about how to make money on Instagram. Another thing you can make money on your website or blog in Zambia is by affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Please don't confuse this with network marketing. Yeah, I know how bullshit network marketing is. So, affiliate marketing is um, promoting a company's products. In affiliate marketing, you don't recruit. So, for example, I think I do affiliate marketing on my website. Yes. Um, for example, let's say the name of the laptop I'm using right now is called Dell. Uh, then since I enjoy Dell, I can I can sign up on the Dell website and tell them uh, I would like to market these products to my people, and when people click on this link and buy the products, you can earn commissions. Yeah, so for example, this certain product you're using, you can sign up as an affiliate for that company, and then when people buy through your link or from your website, you can earn money. So there are a lot of affiliate programs, and most of them are fake, so you have to be more careful and you research more. So for example, if you'd like to become my as an affiliate for me, like yeah, you can also become an affiliate for you. But as for me, I'm a web designer. So for example, if you bring people who would like to have a website, I can pay you something like for bringing people who wants a website from me. That's affiliate marketing. Like advertising my products or my service to other people. Then I'm willing to pay you. That's affiliate marketing. Yeah. So network marketing. These are pyramid schemes whereby you're required to recruit people, buy stuff, blah blah blah. In affiliate marketing, you yourself you don't buy anything. Perhaps you only buy once for your own. Then just keep on recommending the thing to others. Then they buy who want to buy, nothing like advertising and so on. So the other thing you can make money on a website is selling books. Let's say you're good at writing things, you can be start writing like if you're good at writing, you can start writing small simple books. For example, in PDF forms, like write a book about a certain topic, upload it into your website, and let people pay to download the book. Let's say I've written a book about how to become a millionaire. Mm-hmm. Simple. Then let people pay to download the book and read it. That's it. You can make money by selling books. Not only selling books, you can also sell other things like clothes, other things like you can even like hair, whatever you want. So the other things you can do is offer memberships or subscriptions. For example, you can start if you're good at teaching, you can create a membership website whereby you can let people sign up, register, have an account, and pay you to teach them. That's a membership. The other thing you can do, yeah, offer online classes, something like that one. Now this one is just that you're offering courses, directly specifically. If you're good at teaching or there's something you want to teach, you can offer courses on your website. That's what I'm actually doing also. I'm actually offering courses. Although for me, I'm not charging anything. Yeah, it's free. Yeah, right now I'm focusing on offering my things free. I believe that when you're starting out, don't focus on the money. Just focus on sharing what you want, and the money will come to you. Like, don't be greedy. Just yeah. So right now I'm offering my things for free. Yeah, the other things as I said earlier, you can sell physical products on your website. That time I told about um, downloadable things like books. You can also sell physical. Yeah, for example, mm, if you sell branded t-shirts, shoes, you can be selling them and deliver to people. It's actually easier to deliver right now. There are a lot of delivery companies around here in Zambia. You can also use the same order and post office to deliver within Zambia. Yeah, that's the other way you can make money on your website. The other thing you can make money is offer coaching. Let's say you're good at advising or coaching. Yeah, you can coach people on your website. Yeah, it's actually easier. The other thing I can do, like what I do, is freelancing. What's freelancing? Freelancing is offering a service from where you stay, like from home remotely. For example, I'm a web designer, I'm a freelancer. I can create a website. You don't need to visit me, I don't need to visit you. Just explain what you want, and I'll create a website for you. I'm a freelance. So freelancing is better than having a job whereby you have to be working every day. As a freelancer, you work anytime you want. You can work in the night, you can work during the day, you can work anywhere you want as a freelancer. But having a job, yeah, some things are just kind of hard. Yeah. Yeah, so these are things you can make money by having a website. There are actually a lot of things you can do, but for now I'll end here. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Feel free to ask many questions and click on the link in the description below. And I'm actually offering free courses on how to make money in Zambia on my website. Feel free to check out that link. For now, it's bye.